This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Preston Automotive Group.
Maybe you're at the office and you're thinking, oh, gosh, I need an oil change, but you just don't quite have the time to stop in your busy day. Well, there's good news for you. Our friends from Preston Automotive can come to your workplace and do a little car maintenance. That's why we're with Crystal Edwards, the mobile unit advisor with Preston Automotive Group. And this is a wonderful service that you guys provide. Tell us a little bit about this mobile unit.
So we can pretty much go just about anywhere. We could take care of most things that we do in the shop at your home. Or your workplace, and we also bring all of the extras, the things that you don't think about, your cabin air filter, your air filter, your wiper blades. So you may not think, my wipers, but Matt will check them out for you.
That is great to hear. So Crystal, what are maybe some of the things that when people book a service with the mobile unit that you guys check? Do you check all of that stuff because it's something that somebody might not think about their wipers or their wiper fluid?
Yeah, so you get the same treatment as if you come into our building, but I think it's actually a little bit better. You get one-on-one. You know, if there's something that you need or you have questions, you have that mechanic's attention 100%. So he's there to explain everything to you.
That's awesome. What made you guys want to start something like this? I know that our audience knows that Preston is always looking out for the community. Is that really kind of how this ties in?
Oh, absolutely. We are 100% about the community. I've gotten calls where, you know, moms need to make it to soccer practice. The weather's cold. The battery is dead. You know, you save a tow bill. I send that out to you. I've had dad call because their daughter's stranded at school with a flat tire. He's taking care of that too. So, you know, there's many, many benefits to the community, and we just want to keep everybody going and kind of take out some of that anxiety of coming into the shop and waiting.
For sure. And I mean, some people maybe have some limited transportation hours themselves, and this kind of frees up that schedule too. So you go to people's homes, you go to their office. Is there anywhere that's off limits?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, why waste your Saturday on an oil change because you work Monday through Friday, 9 to 5? You know, we're trying to give you your time back.
We love that. And we know that you guys, I mean, the community really does come first with Preston Automotive, and the fact that you guys are always looking out for us and bringing mobile services like this to you, to your home, to your workplace, or that parking lot that you got stranded in because it was a cloudy day and you didn't realize you left your lights on.
Yeah, that too. Yeah, we're here to help.
May or may not be speaking from experience on that one, but Crystal, this is an awesome thing. How do people utilize this service? Is it a phone call? Can they go online?
Yeah, so you can just call the store directly. I'm usually the one that typically answers the phone and directs everybody, so I do offer mobile pretty much with every phone call. You just ask for mobile and we'll get you on the schedule.
Perfect. And is there a limit to the range that you guys cover?
No, we pretty much go all over. Yeah.
Easy peasy, as straightforward as that. And we're not done chatting with Preston. We're going to check in with Matt, the actual mechanic that might be working on your car when you do utilize the mobile service. So we're going to see what's inside. Well, we were just chatting with Crystal about all the mobile services that Preston provides when you're in a bit of a pinch, you don't have time to get your car checked on, the windshield changed, the oil changed, anything that you need that's a little bit of a time crunch to give you that time back. But now we're chatting with Matt with Preston. And Matt, you are actually the mobile service mechanic yourself. So how cool is this thing?
Honestly, I love it. It's been so much fun driving around and meeting new people, seeing new places.
Absolutely. You know? I mean, it's one more place and one more way that Preston meets the community, kind of where they are in a lot of ways. But we've been standing out here showing all the outside of the van. Why don't we take a look inside?
Yeah, not a problem.
Ooh. This is so cool. So, I mean, this is the kind of thing that people maybe wonder or ask questions. What does it look like on the inside? And this is pretty big and all very organized. Yeah. So maybe what kind of questions do people ask when they greet you other than what services they're getting?
Well, the main question that I normally get is, how are you protecting the ground when oil does spill? I do have multiple tarps to protect the ground and to make sure that oil doesn't splash anywhere when you're trying to get off the stubborn filter.
Yeah, I think that's a great catch, a great thing to tell people, because people will have questions. They want to take care of the environment, and cleaning up any mess that you might make or preventing a mess in the first place is a great step. What are some of the other pieces of equipment that maybe people are surprised to find that you have in the mobile service unit?
Plates that go underneath every jack stand. So there's no damage to your concrete driveway or the asphalt, where if you're, let's just say, at work and you're getting a tire rotation, keeps everything, clean, kosher, and no damages.
That's pretty cool. I mean, again, you can really set up anywhere. You don't have to worry about causing any damage or making a mess when you need to utilize the mobile service at Preston Automotive. Matt's got you covered. So just one more time, what are some of the services that you guys provide with this?
So basically, we provide any service that we would get in the dealerships. Multi-point, basically your full multi-point inspection, even with, filter replacements, stuff like that.
Yeah, and as cool as this thing is inside and out, it's also electric, which I thought was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Didn't hear it coming. Well, Matt, once again, how do people kind of utilize this service? Is it a phone call? Do they book it online?
Normally it's a phone call.
Perfect. All right, so make that call if maybe your battery's been sounding a little funky, there's a little bit of maintenance you've been putting off because you don't have the time. Our friends at Preston Automotive Group are here to give you that time back. Matt, thank you so much for taking a minute with us, and Crystal, of course, as well. But we've got more CoastLife for you. That's on the way.